Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, you've been asking me for this video, and I'm going to give it to you. You want to see how you could take one eyeshadow color and do a whole eyeshadow look and make it look like you did a whole lot when you ain't really done nothing. So if you want to see how I do that, you keep watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah, check out Lori's life.
Alright, first thing I'm going to do, of course, I go in and prime my eyes. And I use my Urban Decay Caffeine. Now, if you don't have oily lids and you don't worry about your eyeshadow creasing, then this is a step that you can just, skip. But for me, it doesn't matter what type of eyeshadow I'm doing. I always go in and I always prime my lids because they do get a little oily. And I think I'm going to try to do this video in real time so you can really see how quick and easy it is. So once you put your primer on, me personally, and it's kind of a rule, that when you use cream, you need to use a powder to set it. And I'm looking for... Where's my setting? Well, I'm going to set it with my Pat McGrath powder, but that's not normally what I set it with. But we're going to use that just to set that powder. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use this brush right here. And I said set that powder, I mean set the primer. Because the primer is a cream. Alright, so now that's set, right? So then all you have to do is, I'm using, what is this? This is Color Rain Smoke Show palette. And I'm going to use the color Showtime. Because for me personally, I feel like the darker shades work a little better. I'm going to have to try it with a lighter. I'm moving y'all a little closer so y'all can see, okay? So we're going to go in with a brush. This is my mini booster. No, this is my crease one brush. From Sonia G. Now, these are natural hair brushes, so they will pick up a lot. And what I always do is I start right here on the lid in the corner and bring it in. I place the product there and kind of like pat it in before I start blending it out. Because what I want to do is I want this area to be the darkest. I'm going all the way across the lid. And you see how I pat it? See how dark it is? This is a gorgeous color. I'm just going to pat that in and make it nice and dark, and then just kind of blend it a little bit. See that? Let me do the other side. Again, we're going to start and build the color up. See that? Make it nice and dark in that area. Because this is the area where you want that color to pop at anyway. You want your color to pop on your lid. I'm just going to build that up. Alright, so you see how pretty that is, right? Let's just use the same brush. Hold on, let me wipe this brush down some. How about that? Using the same brush, we're just going to go in. I'm not putting any more product on it at first. I'm just going in a circular motion and bringing, see what that right there that was in that corner? Bring that up some. Bring it all the way up. And I only go to about right here. Now you see how it looks lighter? And I'm not even really using a whole lot of extra product. See that? So it seems like it's getting a little lighter, then getting a little darker. We're going to do the same for this side. Yeah, it's pretty. And since I'm not really using a lot of product, I might go in just a little bit because this one's got a little bit more than that one. So I'm just going to barely tap my brush into the eyeshadow. And then when I want to add more color, I go where the crease is, right there. And add a little bit there and then start to blend out. Y'all see how that look? Now I'll go in and get me a nice brush to blend with. My blending pro from Sonia G. And then I'm just gonna blend. Oh, something on this brush. Blend that out. I'm not gonna touch this part. Now I'm starting to bring it a little bit closer into the eye. Because what this is doing is shearing this color out that I have at the top. I'm shearing it out, I'm blowing it out. See that? See how it's kind of gradually now going into that part of my eye? And I'm a blend queen, y'all. I might over blend, but I'm a blender. I believe in blending your eye look. Do y'all see how pretty that is? So it looked like I really done something, but I ain't really done nothing. And I have not used a lot of products. And you always got one eye that acts crazy, and this is this one for me. I can never get it to look as cute as that one for some reason. But y'all, you see that? Now, I'm done. It's done. And what you can do is, if you want to add a little pop to it, you could always go in just to add an extra color to the look. Go in with a liner. Now, I'm using purple because I like green and purple together. So I'm just going to go in with this purple liner. And this is just another way to add some more color. Bam, see that? Without having to add more eyeshadow. And you can get these liners from NYX. They're decent. You see how I added just a little bit more color? And what color is this? I can tell y'all. Black raspberry. That's the color. And then, y'all, that's it. You go in. I always go in with my concealer to clean up a look. And I'll go ahead and do this right quick, because we're doing all this real time so you guys can really see. And I take my concealer for under the eye and then go along right here, and I use that to see how I'm making that sharp line to clean up that eyeshadow. And I prefer to do, I kind of did it back. I would prefer to do this concealer part before I did my under my eyeliner, but it's okay. Whatever order you want to do it in, but I do prefer to do this before I do my eyeliner. And what that does, it allows you to clean that look up. See how sharp that looks now? Let me go in and put a little powder. I'm doing extra stuff now that ain't really got nothing to do with this, but I just wanted to let you guys see in real time how easy it is. I'm just using my pat powder. Again, when you use cream, you want to use a powder to set it. Now, don't that look like I've done a whole lot? And if you're like me, you're not a falsie girl, although I'm becoming one, I gotta say. But if you don't have time to put on false lashes, get you a good mascara. And apply your mascara on as heavy as you want, or as light, it's up to you. See the difference that mascara makes? And it looks like I done a whole bunch of something, y'all. And y'all see we're in real time. I'm not editing this video. And if I wasn't talking to y'all and filming, it would have been even quicker. Bam! My whole eye look is done. Alright, y'all, I hope this was helpful. You guys were asking me to do it. And I will do another one for 2 eyeshadows and let you see how that looks. But this is how one eyeshadow look with a pop of color. She cute. Alright, y'all, so to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life. Yeah, it's Lori's life.